hide the fact we're ill. By plotting to deceive will never ever make us grieve, because we're bad, 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 bad. Oh, I'm glad that I'm bad.
I'm frightful. I'm hateful.
It's delicious to be vicious.
I relish being hellish. Yes, I do.
We're overjoyed to be employed in every kind of trickery and fraud. We'd be utterly frustrated to be anything but hated. We revel in the devil and his works, to say nothing of the perks that come from being bad.
It's nice. It's nice.
We're very, very glad